Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today I am here with some new information and more information about the sub-topographical maps. Hope all of you have seen part 1 and part 2 videos. If you liked and understood, don't forget to share your valuable feedback because it is very essential to know how much it is beneficial to you. Is it clear? So here what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn today that how the name of these topo sheet of our syllabus we have got that, okay, or we will tell that if you have seen the topo sheet, the number given that 45 d by 7 on 45 d by 10. So how we have got this number, we will talk about that. Students, in that first part, I have said about the history, how the topo sheet actually or the survey of topographical area started by the Britishers. You also should know this topographical map is known as ordnance map or that topographical survey sheet or topo sheet. We are saying topographical maps. In short form, it is also known as topo sheet. And this actually giving us the detailed information. So here how this number we have got that we will talk. So first we have to know that in that first part, if you have seen, I already have talked that Britishers surveyed India and adjacent countries, that Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan. So they surveyed on that area according to the scale that 1:10 lakh, okay, means 1 million, that is 1 million scale, okay. So here what was the basis and how much area they have also taken for survey. India and adjacent area they have divided into 137 divisions. 137 division. How many? 137 divisions. This 137 divisions, each division followed the scale 1 million. Means the million map 1:10 RF will be there. 1:10 kilometer means here 1 centimeter is equal to, it is showing 10 kilometer area on the ground. Is it clear? And there also another main important thing, it was 4 degree lat multiplied 4 degree long, it was the area. Now the question it is coming, what is 4 degree lat and 4 degree long? I have said topographical map, it is made on a very small area with more information detailedly. In that case, sometimes it has been seen that the small area, it can be less than 1 degree of interval of lat and long, latitude and longitudinal intervals. But when they first made this million map, that case they have taken 4 degree latitude area and 4 degree longitudinal area. And where they have followed the RF 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer 1:, that 10 lakh centimeter. And the form that to measure the area, they have taken the scale 1 inch is equal to 16 miles. Okay, is it clear? So here this 137, you just first focus 137, it is having the characteristic of that. Now each of these 4 degree by 4 degree, this each grid has been divided into 16 part. How many? 16. So I am showing here the 16 part. Okay, and how the name given? The alphabet according to the English alphabet, the letter given that A to P, A, B, C, D vertically, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, so here we have got D. So for our first I will tell later on how we have got this. First you just understand this, that 137 one part or one division which was having 4 degree by 4 degree lat, 4 degree long, that one part divided into 16 part, and each part it was having the characteristics 1 degree lat by 1 degree long, 1 degree latitude by 1 degree longitude. The RF will be, and RF was 1:250,000. Okay, and the scale it was given 1 inch is equal to here 4 miles. Okay, now here this in 1 degree by 1 degree, again that also showing how it has been divided. This 1 degree by 1 degree, any of that I am taking, each of that it is again divided into 16 part. And how the name, the number given, vertically the numerals number that given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, mean again 16 division, 16 parts. And the area taken here for each of that 15 minute by 15 minute. How the 15 minute has come? Because 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Okay, so that's why they have taken these also area 15 minute by 15 minute, and the RF they have taken for this surveying of that area here 1:50,000, and the scale is 1 inch showing 1 mile. Okay, so here just understand 137 division they have taken. Out of that 137, which number was 45? It is a part of India. It is the part of India, and which part? Rajasthan and Gujarat part. It is the 45 number taken, and this 45 again it has been divided in this also 16 divisions. The out of the 16, this D part taken, it means Rajasthan, Gujarat, only this one, not whole Rajasthan and Gujarat, only D part taken, and D part which is also divided in 60 part. Out of that they have chosen 7 and 10 for surveying, and which is also included in our syllabus. Here see, here this is the topo map of your class. Here the name given, that also part of the topo sheet, number 45D by 7, another side it is also 45D by 10, Gujarat and Rajasthan part. But you should know how it has came, otherwise the doubt will be there, suddenly how the number has come, the doubt will be there. That's why I have clear here. Hope you have understood that how the number we have got. See here students, I have also make you understand that how this actually number we have got. But sometimes the confusion come suddenly, how this 4 degree has come, how this 15 minute has come. So here I have told about that each that grid it was 4 degree by 4 degree. So here it is divided again 16 part. So 1 degree here, 1 degree here, 1 degree here, 1 degree. This is 4, and 1 degree here, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. So 4 multiply 4 here. So full grid is 4 here. It is coming clear. So here one grid is 1 degree and 1 degree. This is 1 degree by 1 degree, 1 also grid. So this is again it is dividing into 16 part. So it is 4 part also having 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Here also same way 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Mean each grid here 15 multiply 15. Okay. So here You have to see this according to that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. I already have said 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, mean here 1 degree it is the 1 degree grid. So it is here 60 minutes, here 60 minutes. Okay, is it clear? 1 degree by 1 degree grid, it is dividing into that 16, that more part, and here I am showing that first 1 grid is equal to 15 minutes and 15 minutes. Here students, you are getting to see this is the Indian adjacent area where the Britishers had surveyed, and they have divided into different parts. Actually all that part it is not showing in this map, but it is the 137 also divisions we have got, and according to that here 45 number you are getting to see, sorry, here 45 number, which is the main concern of us, which we are which we are going to learn, 45 number. Okay, this 45 number it has been again divided that into 16 part, and this 16 part also again divided more 16 part, which here also one example given like 15 number grid, 57 number grid, which also has divided 16 part, and each grid again divided into more 16 part. Okay, so this way they have surveyed, and they also followed their different skills. Students, if you will see the map of our syllabus, you will get to see the scale given there 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. But how this has come? Okay, so we should know. Actually the scale is here in our map, the 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, and RF is there given that 1:50,000. How this also RF we have got? We have just understood that 15 minute by 15 minute, that grid how we have got. Okay, so this 15 minute again it has been divided into that 7.5 minute multiply 7.5 minute. Okay, 7.5 minute. Okay, so here this 7.5 minute it is having a number, and it is also we can say divided into 4 part. Here northwest, northeast, here southeast, here southwest. Okay, one more division also they have done. Now according to that they have divided, the surveyor have divided this rectangular the grid into 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but our topic of discussion was how the scale of our topo sheet it has come 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. In that case, when after that independence, actually when the government of India adopted the metric system in this making of topographical maps, in this system of that we can say that the rectangular coordinates, they have been divided the whole area into 100 kilometer by 100 kilometer that grids. Okay, this each 100 kilometer by 100 kilometer, this each has been given the name, also their name given that any two that letters of the English alphabet like PQ, QR, VZ, etc. Like this way, this two letter each grid names given. Okay. Now this any of this 100 by 100 kilometer, this area again has been divided into 10,000 that squares of 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer grid or area. Here I have said 1 kilometer multiply 1 kilometer. So this is the concern of today's it means our syllabus or our grids, where we have taken 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Is it clear? So this process is known as National Grid Reference. Okay, so this is known as national grid reference. So how we have got our topo sheet, that number, and how this the scale we have got. Is it clear, student? So students, hope you have understood how we have got our topo map number 45D by 7 and 45D by 10. If you can read that topo map, it will be the best way that you can read any of the topo map given to you. Actually, that the whatever number, whatever name given, you know the basic, so you easily can read that. But some more information which is more important here in the topo map, the symbols, the 4-figure grid reference, the 6-figure grid reference, the conventional signs, we will get to know in the next part. So stay with me and see this video once again. We will meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.